Hi Argenta, so I'm making this video to show you how to log into Google Classroom. I hope that this helps. So you should be able to see my web browser here. So you're going to open up Google Chrome. If you forgot what that looks like, it looks like this button down here at the bottom. Right here, that's the Chrome. Then I want you to type in classroom.google.com. So type that in and hit enter. And it's going to bring you to something that looks like this. So what I want you to do is in this corner here, click up where if you have a picture maybe, or it might just have your initials, but this is your Google account. So I want you to click that and then hit something that says add another account. When you do that, I want you to type in your email address. So the school email address for you, it should be on that paint chip in your take-home folder. Let me see if I can pull it up really quick. Just give me a second. Actually, I can pause this video while I look it up. All right, so I looked yours up. So you are going to type in HUYARG00044 at sd44.org. So once you type in your school Gmail, hit next. And now you're going to enter your password. So this is the one that you're used to having when you sign into your Chromebook. Yours is 8108433X. So after you type that in, you're going to hit this next button, and then you should be able to go to your Google Classroom. I'm not going to hit it because I don't want to sign into your account, but that should work. And then once you do that, you're going to see like what I see here. This is me connected to our Google Classroom. So you'll be able to see this, but you have to be signed in from your school email address. So please try that. Use this video to help you. If you need to pause the video and watch it again to know how to do it, that's okay. Let me know if you still can't get it after that. Okay.